Sir, and camel even.
No, sir, it is woolly dog, not yak.
Yes, it is woolly dog.
Sir, does not yield
Correct
wool,
example.
sir.
Which of the
Does
following
not
does
yield
not
wool.
yield wool? From the yak, we will get the wool.
Does not yield wool.
Yeah. From the camel, we will get the wool. From the goat, we will get the wool. Then from the dog, we will get the wool. No, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So answer is
Sir, if
option
it
D.
has fur also, we will not take anything from it, sir.
We can't take anything
Sir,
from the
at
dog.
the second question, I wrote wrong, sir. It's actually yak, but I wrote sheep.
It is not yak.
Yes, sir, it is not yak
Goat has
because
Angora
pashmina wool. Northern state they use most pashmina wool, sir. So I written pashmina wool, but correct answer came as yak, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
yak is the only
Sir,
correct answer,
sir, it is yak wool only. Sir,
Yak one only, sir.
it is written in the textbook only. Textbook also.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which type of wool
Yak
is common in Tibetan Ladakh?
Certain which is common.
In Tibetan Ladakh, okay. Yak wool.
The next one is sheep wool,
Yeah.
sir. Sheep
Okay.
wool.
Sheep wool. So the next one is sheep wool, and the next one is Kashmir.
Wait, someone
Kashmir
is
and-
coming from the back around.
No, sir, no one for me.
Okay. So what about the next one? The type of wool
Sheep
is
wool,
common
sir.
available in
Sheep wool.
North.
Sheep wool. Dash type of wool common.
Sheep
available.
wool, sir.
Sheep
Wool,
wool.
sir. Sheep wool.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one, Pashmina. I have given this homework.
Sir,
for you, right?
Kashmir. Sir, Kashmir, sir.
Kashmir is Kashmir, sir. Kashmir is
Kashmir,
also
sir.
Homework question.
Kashmir.
Yes,
Pashmina
sir.
shawls are found in.
Kashmir.
Next one,
Sir, the process of
Shearing.
removing fleece
Shearing, sir, shearing.
sheep along with a thin
Sir,
layer of
the
skin is
answer is
called
shearing, sir.
The shearing, sir.
It's shearing.
But the next one is woolen
Yes,
shawl.
sir.
Woolen
Okay,
shawl.
wait.
Sir.
Wait. I'll ask you one member in this. Mahavir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer sixth question?
Yes, sir. I really wanted to buy a gift made of animal fiber obtained without killing the animal. Which of the following would be right gift for her to buy? Sir, the answer is leather jacket.
Sir, no, sir, it's woolen.
No, sir.
No, sir, it's woolen shawl, sir.
Shawl.
Woolen shawl, sir.
One
Sir,
thing.
he's telling
If you
that
shout
which
like
of-
this in the class all at a time, now it will be completely disturbance for everyone.
Sir,
I will ask you one by one, then only you can respond. Okay. If all the people will speak at a time, now it will be disturbance only, right? You will not understand to anyone. Sorry, I given this class. Mahavir, what is the answer?
Sir,
leather jacket.
Leather jacket.
No, sir.
No,
correct
sir, animal
answer.
fur cap.
Silk,
No, it is not a leather jacket.
silk
It's a woolen shawl, right?
Sir, woolen shawl.
Woolen
Yeah,
shawl.
woolen shawl, sir.
Sir,
Animal fur cap.
Leather is applied for killing the animal.
Who is this speaking continuously? I asked Mahavir, right? Mahavir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the answer?
Sir,
How is it leather jacket?
sir. What, sir? I can't hear you. Like, I was not able to hear you what you said just now.
Why it is a leather jacket?
Sir, because like that time I thought that leather jacket was obtained by killing like without killing animals.
What is now on right now? What
Yeah,
are you
sir, right now it's woolen shawl. Sir, I thought that you asked the answers that I wrote in the exam, so I told it as leather jacket.
okay. It's not
I
the
saw
exam
that it
answer.
was wrong and checked my answer, so I got it I understood my mistake that time.
Okay, no problem. So answer is
Sir,
woolen shawl.
Sir, I wrote animal fur cap. Is it right?
Animal fur cap is also different one.
Sir, animal fur cap is obtained by killing animals and obtaining their fur, right?
Sir, can I say?
No, ma'am, we can remove fur. No, ma'am.
Answer is silk scarf.
So out of the 4 given options, which best option is the woolen shawl, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to select the woolen shawl. Okay. Okay, what is the answer for 7?
Sir, can I
Cocoon, sir.
cocoon? Sir, you said pronounce, sir. You said pronounce.
Silk fiber is obtained from
Sir,
the,
can I tell Nikhil?
it's a cocoon, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following process is not the part of wool extraction?
Sir, reeling.
Sir, reeling,
Oh,
sir.
reeling, sir.
Reeling,
Sir,
sir.
reeling, sir. I to give that one only.
And the reeling.
Reeling.
Reeling,
Aditi?
sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Reeling. Option
Reeling.
D.
Option D. So paper is easy only, right? There is no doubts at all in this
Yes,
paper.
sir. Yes, sir.
So all the things we discussed in the class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, even reeling means in the form of carding only, no, sir.
Yeah, like it's a type of a, not exactly like carding. We'll discuss in the silk, that one.
Sir,
The processing of silk we'll discuss. How we are reeling the thread of the silk moth and all. We'll discuss in that. Okay.
So what is this, sir?
So that is not your class.
Okay.
So I think this is your class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is your class.
So you have given us
homework
to find out what is the process of spinning.
So and what is the homework?
Sir, to find out the process of spinning.
Wool,
The
sir.
process of knitting, sir. Knitting, you told.
No,
Knitting.
it's spinning.
Sir?
What is the homework?
Sir, once
Sir, we have to find out the process of
Knitting.
spinning, sir.
Yes, sir.
The process of knitting, sir.
No,
Yes,
spinning.
Then what have you done that homework?
No, sir, you said knitting only.
Yes,
Yes, sir, you said knitting.
No,
No,
sir.
sir,
Yes,
this
sir. You
No, I
told.
think it's not knitting process. Some other homework I have given for you.
Sir, you said knitting and rounded it,
Sir,
sir.
you gave a spinning process, sir.
See, sir, you rounded it.
Yes, sir.
And gave both are spinning and knitting.
Okay.
Knitting, not it is knitting.
Yes,
Now-
you only get spitting. I mean, spinning.
Okay. What are the 5 different steps in the processing of wool?
Sir, sharing.
Sir, can I say? Sir, can I
Wait,
say?
wait.
can
I will
I
ask
say?
one by one. I will ask one by one. Wait. Nikhil, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So what are the 5 different steps in the processing of wool?
Shearing, scouring. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Shearing.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
Hello.
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can
Yeah,
you
wait,
hear
wait.
me? I
Sharing?
can't hear you.
I will call you one by one. I will. Okay. First one is the
Sir, I
shearing.
can't hear you, sir.
Right now.
I can't hear you, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
What about others? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
we can
Yes,
hear
sir,
you.
we can hear
I
you.
can't hear you, sir.
Sir, we can hear you.
Sir, you are able to
From
hear
my
me.
side, it is clear only.
Sir, now can I say second one?
Sir, can I?
I don't know, sir. Maybe my connection problem. I can't hear
Can
you.
I?
Okay. Nikhil. So Satvika, are you there? Satvika. Yeah. What is the processing? Different steps in the processing of wool?
So sharing, sorting, washing, carding, and spinning.
Sharing, sorting,
Washing, carding, spinning.
washing, carding, and
Spinning.
Sir, washing method is called scouring, sir.
okay. Now, Raghav, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah. I asked you to turn on your videos, right?
Sir, I told that I have a video problem. Today I'm joining from a different device.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is the shearing, Raghav?
Sir, shear is the removal of leaves.
Removal of the
Sir, removal of
your voice is not clear. Some background noise is coming.
Sir, it is the removal of fleas.
Removal of the fleas. Sorry.
Yes. Sir, some voice is coming, sir. Some disturbing
Your voice
voice
is not clear. It's a disturbance is there.
From Raghu, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Next one. Wait.
sir, I just have a question.
Yeah, Jade.
It's
Yes, sir.
Ishan.
Sir, shearing.
Yeah.
Ishan
The shearing is nothing but the removal of the fleas of sheep and yes, sir.
Removal of the fleas of the sheep is called as an
Yes, sir.
shearing. Okay. Wait. Good. Sahit Verma.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Jade.
Sir, this is Raghav. Now, can you hear me now?
Oh, some background noise is there from your side. Your voice is clear,
Okay,
but
sir.
background noise is there. Okay, I will ask you in the last again. Don't worry, Raghav.
Sir, Ishan has a doubt, it seems, sir.
Ishan,
Yes, sir.
just lower your hands, everyone. Those who have the doubt, just raise your hand, okay?
For the fourth one in the processing of wool, the fourth thing you wrote, sir, what is that? I'm not able to understand it.
That is a carding.
What, sir?
Carding.
Carding. Okay, sir.
Okay, I will tell you that on what is the carding and all.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. I just wanted to write it down once.
Okay. So,
Sir, can you hear me? I'm Nikhil.
wait. Sahit Verma, are you there?
So,
Sahit,
yes, sir.
then what is the sorting?
Sir?
What is the meaning of sorting?
So it's when you sort the wool, I think.
Can you?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I
Can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I tell him Nikhil?
Sir, Jay.
Wait.
Can I?
We'll give to Ritvik this time. I'll give everyone chance, okay? There are so many questions are
Sorting
there.
is the process of raw wool to the woolen fibers.
Sorting is a process of?
Sir, the sorting is a process of raw wool to the woolen fibers.
Exactly, is it correct? Okay, we'll listen from others. Okay, good, no problem.
Sir, can I tell him Nikhil?
Wait. Kunal, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there, but my video is stucking. So sorry. So,
Yeah. What is the sorting?
sir, sorting. Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I tell sir?
Sir,
Guys, I already told you. If you don't turn on your videos, no, I will remove from your group.
Sir, sorting is used to cut the sheep's wool, sir, or fleece by by a shearing, by a mechanical shearing, and it is cut during the before the month of summer, sir.
That is sorting.
Sorting.
Sir, can I tell sir?
Yeah, wait.
I have a different answer.
Srusti,
Yes, sir.
one by one. Yeah, Srusti, you can continue.
The process of separating hair of different textures, sir.
The process of good. What is it? The process of?
The process of separating hair of different texture is called sorting.
Generally, what we will do in sorting process?
Sir, can I tell him
We'll
Nikhil?
separate the wool into different.
Sir, we'll separate different qualities of food, sir.
We'll separate the different qualities
Qualities
wool,
of food,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes,
shoulder
sir, we'll
wool.
separate different qualities of
Guys,
Different uses of wool, so they have to brown color. It will go to the brown color.
1 minute, please. If you speak all at a time, right, it will be completely disturbance is there. Understand that one first. Sorting means what? Separating up the wool into the 4 different types, right?
Different
Based upon the
qualities.
quality, different qualities. Next one, wait. Ritvik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the washing?
The washing fibers are sir, fibers are sorted and they are, sir,
Yeah, continue.
the fibers are sorted and the fibers are went to the washing to remove the oily layer of the fiber.
To remove any dust particles or oily layer from the fleece is called as
Fiber.
washing, right?
Yes, sir.
Pranav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the carding process?
Sir, the washed wool will go to roller, sir, and they form thin sheets, sir.
Sorry.
Sir,
Sir,
can
they
I
will
say?
go to roller, sir, the washed wool, and then form into thin sheets, sir.
Yeah. So whatever the untangled wool is there, it will go into the machine. So it will form into the thin sheets with the help of a teeth.
Sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I have doubt in carding. So I hear that is reeling is similarly to the carding, sir.
Yeah. In silk, we'll say it is a railing, but in the wool, we'll say it is a carding process.
Sir, can I say?
I'll show you some video in the second half.
Sir, can
So
I
that
say
I'll be
about
clear.
washing?
Sir,
No, Shiva,
Washing is over and the carding.
Shiva Pranav, what is the spinning last one?
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Yeah,
The
Shiva.
process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning.
So converting the thin sheet into the thin yarns.
Sir,
of
the
wool.
narrow strands of the woolen fibers are
Converting wool into
What
thin
is carding,
strands of
sir?
wool.
What's the meaning of
After-
carding? Making
the
yarn.
rectangle
I will show you some
fibers.
video, boys.
The
I will show you some video
Sir,
in the second
Carding.
half. In that it will be clear what is the carding and all. Okay.
can I tell what is
spinning?
Spinning is what?
you don't show
Whatever
till
the thin
time.
sheets are there, we'll convert them into the thin yarns of the wool for the making into the fabric. That is the spinning process.
is stretched and then twisted.
Okay, you can see here, right? So first one is the shearing. You can see the image, right?
Yes, sir.
This is called as a shearing process. Second one is called as a sorting process, or also called as a grading process. So here we are separating the different quality of the wool. In the third, it is called as a washing process. In the washing, we'll remove the oily layer. Sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, first scoring will come and then sorting will come, right?
Scoring will not come first. Scoring means what? Washing of
Sir,
the
the
wool.
scoring will come at second only, sir.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling, and you are telling it is third.
Sir, scoring will come at second and sorting will come at third, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I told last class also, sir.
Scoring will come at
Second place, sir. After the shearing, this sourcing will come, sir.
Yes.
Even in
See,
our
after
textbook
shearing,
is
what will
given as
happen?
same.
We'll get the complete piece of the animal, right?
Yes.
So, but complete piece of the animal will have the different quality of the wool. Like shoulder piece will be different quality, top piece will be different quality. So we'll separate based upon that different body
Yes.
parts. And afterwards, we'll take all the shoulder wool together and we'll put in the washing machine. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but in the textbook it is given as first shearing, then scoring, and then sorting.
Okay, okay. We'll check that one in the afterwards. Okay. Are understanding what is the process here? We'll check that one.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
What about carding, sir?
So carding means whatever the untangles or distangled wool is there, will pass through the machine. That machine will have some teeth-like structure. Okay, that teeth-like structure will make the small piece of wool into the thin sheets. That is called as a carding. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And the last spinning means We are getting the thin sheets
Sir,
into
the
the
narrow,
Spinning, sir.
the narrow strands of the sir.
Sir, it's nothing but the spinning is the fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The
So
longer
whatever the
fibers.
thin sheets are getting from the carding
when
process,
we-
will make into the
They spin it into
yarn.
one.
yarn.
That's called as
Sir,
spinning.
after the
The
carding
threads doesn't twisted into the
Okay, guys.
yarn.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, like in sorting process, how will they know the quality of the wool, sir? Like by touching?
Yeah. Based upon the, we already discussed it, right? How the quality of the wool will
that's
be.
in
Based
the
upon the
part of
crimpy
shoulders.
nature, fluffy nature, crimples, and all.
Yeah. When they touch it only,
Okay,
they
sir.
can feel it.
Yeah. So
Okay,
already we
sir.
discussed it in the starting class itself. How to test the quality of the wool. What is the chem?
Yes, sir. I forgot, sir.
Yeah. So if you have any doubts, you can check in the starting class. Don't worry, mate. Okay.
Sir, can you show the video?
So I will show you in the second half afterwards, after 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can you see that image?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first, what is
Yes, sir.
happening?
Yes, sir.
Once again, you can repeat it. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, in that
Once again, you
process,
can
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
the yarn are rolled and then dyed, sir. Dyed in colors.
And then they will soak it and it will become one gold.
What
So
is
first
this
we are getting the
process,
wool.
sir?
First we are getting the fleece right here.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then they are
So
being
then we'll
yarn.
go to the fleece. Then afterwards, we'll sort them into the different qualities of the wool. Harini, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then afterwards, the cleaning and washing will be make into the yarns. So after the yarns, what we will do? Interlacing of the yarns. Have hear this word? What is interlacing?
Sir means like they will first they will take a rope and they will cross it like in between, sir.
So these are the one type of yarn we'll take in the horizontal way. Another yarn will take in the
Vertical way.
vertical way. So interlacing is nothing but
So like
Sir, one
goes
above the
on
above.
top of each other.
so we'll these two will be at right angle to each other. We'll make them into the locking process. That is okay. That is called in weaving, right? What is the meaning of weaving? Interlacing of two yarns. Interlacing of
Anywhere
two
barking
yarns.
song is barking sound, sir. In Kunal, I think so.
Sir,
Okay.
nothing but interlocked at the right angles to
Nothing but interlocking
another.
at the right angles of the two different yarns is called as in weaving. So
Yes,
first
sir.
we'll make the yarns. What is the dye? Dyeing means we'll give some color to them.
Yes,
Coloring, sir.
adding color to
After the
it.
coloring, what we'll do? We'll make into the weaving process. We'll get the cloth. Suppose you are not doing that.
Sir, after adding color,
After adding color,
we can pass to the carding, sir, because the distangle fibers are then passed to the rollers.
that's what I'm telling you. First, we'll get the fleece. Then afterwards, we'll get fleece. We'll do it the sorting process. Listen carefully. After the sorting, we'll go for the washing. After the washing, we'll go for the carding. After the carding, it is explaining here. That is the spinning process. In the spinning process, we'll make the yarns. Suppose if you want to use different colors to the yarns, we'll make into the dyeing process. After the dyeing, what we'll do? We'll do the weaving process. What is the weaving? Interlacing.
Interlacing, sir. Interlacing, sir.
Interlacing of two
Interlacing
different
the
yarns.
yarn.
Interlacing the yarns to make a fabric.
Yeah. So after the weaving process, what we'll get the? We'll get the woolen fabric. So this is the last of the woolen fabric. That's all the process. Okay. So in the case of weaving,
This was how many days it
if
will
you use
take, sir?
knitting process means, what is the
Sir,
knitting?
Sir,
What is the
Sir.
knitting?
knitting, sir.
Hmm.
Knitting.
Sir,
Yeah.
to make fabric. And then
Okay. We will take two different cloths, like a one cotton cloth. and the socks?
Sir, it is needle. It is used to it is used to
Listen first.
interlink the cloth. Interlink the
Okay,
cloth.
Kunal, listen first. Suppose you are taking two different types of cloths,
Yes, sir.
two
Yes,
different
sir.
types of fabrics. One is a cotton fabric, another one is the socks. If you remove one thread from the cotton, what will happen? It is very difficult to remove, right? The thread,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and we can remove only short thread from the cotton cloth because it is very difficult to remove the thread from the cotton because undergoing the weaving process. Suppose if you remove one thread from the socks, what will happen? The thread will out continuously, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you remove one thread
Yes,
from
sir,
the
because
socks,
it has a starting point and a specific ending point.
yeah. Here in the weaving process, if you are using the two different yarns, it will form the cotton cloth. But in the socks, what we will use the process called as in knitting. In the knitting, we will use only one yarn. Okay. So with the help of the one yarn, we will make into the fabric. That is the knitting.
Okay, sir.
So interlacing will be done with the help of only one yarn. It's called as a knitting process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the use of wool, woolen fiber then?
What are the uses of
What we'll prepare with the help of woolen fibers? Sweaters we will
Sir,
prepare.
sweaters.
Sir,
Sweaters.
knitting. Sir, we'll use knitting, sir, like this.
Sweaters we will prepare, or carpets we will prepare, blankets we
Sir,
will
knitting,
prepare.
sir, like this we'll do, sir. In
Yeah, yeah.
Doraemon, they'll-
Yeah, some grandmaster will do now also, right? Knitting process and all. They'll take one needle and they will do.
Sir, in cartoons, they'll show so much, sir.
I did it, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is clear about the wool.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubts up to wool?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next we'll go for the
Sir,
silk.
once can you show that, no? Once can you show the full
Hello,
topic?
sir. Krishna, I joined because of internet connection.
Sorry.
Sir, once can you scroll up?
You will get these notes in the Google Classroom. Don't worry about this.
Krishna, I joined because of internet connection.
No problem. We are going to start the new topic here from the silk. Okay.
Kunal, can you please mute?
Okay, guys. So we'll start the new topic, that is the silk. So where you will get the silk?
From
From the cocoon, sir. From the cocoon of from the cocoon, sir.
Cocoon of
You will
silk
get the
moth.
silk from the silk
Cocoon of silk moth.
moth. So silk is also a natural fiber. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then from the
sir.
silk moth.
Yes, sir.
So what are the two important different proteins present in the silk?
Fibron and sericin.
Fibron and sericin, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fibron and sericin.
Yes, sir.
Two
Fibron
important protein present in the silk is fibrin,
and sericin, sir. Sericin.
The two main
sericin.
That's the main.
These are the two important proteins present in the silk.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So silk moth is similar to what?
Sir?
Silk moth is similar to the what?
butterfly. sir.
Butterfly, sir.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Butter?
Share the screen.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what are the four different types of silks are there?
Sir, Tushar silk.
Mulberry silk, Tushar silk, Muga silk,
Mulberry silk, Tushar silk, Muga silk, and Eris silk,
I
sir.
already told you.
Tushar
If
silk,
all you are
Muga
speaking,
silk.
see, if all you are speaking at a time, it will be complete disturbance for the
Sir,
class.
share the
You can read in
screen.
your mind only, okay? You can't see
Sir,
the
share the screen.
The screen is already shared.
Yes,
Sir
sir.
is already sharing the screen.
So it's already, I am already sharing the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, you can read in your minds. Don't read loudly in the class, okay? If everyone reads at the same time, it will be disturbance only.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different types of silk? First one, four different types are there. What is the first one?
Mulberry.
Mulberry silk, sir.
Tushar silk.
Mulberry silk,
Muga silk.
Tushar
Muga
Tushar
silk.
silk.
Tushar silk,
Muga silk.
Muga silk.
Muga silk,
Muga silk and
Eris silk.
Erased silk.
From anywhere.
So out of all the silks, mulberry silk is the most common silk.
Okay.
Okay. Out
So
of
then
all the
you-
4 different
Sir,
silks,
can I say one thing?
wait. Out of the 4 different types of silk, mulberry silk is only comprised of 90% of the silk.
Oh.
Remaining
Sir,
10 will be the
which is the rarest, sir? Rarest one?
rarest one is generally erased.
It is.
So the remaining these are rarest only. We'll get very, very rare only. Only mulberry is the most available silk in the market.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, but how can we find out which is silk or mulberry silk?
Sorry.
How can you find out is this Tusha
Sir?
silk?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, like by touching
I have a
the
doubt,
cotton
sir.
can-
What is the doubt?
Sir, what is the difference between all those silks, sir?
It's based upon the silkworm. Okay. And based upon the type of production we are getting.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Yeah.
Hello. I have a doubt, sir. Sir, how can we find out that it is silk or mulberry silk, sir?
Based upon the quality.
Silk or cotton, like that.
Yeah.
Can you tell?
We can identify different cloths based upon the quality, right? Based upon the smoothness, coarseness, roughness,
Oh, okay.
and type of the shiny.
Okay.
Yes or no? So based upon that, we will identify whether it's mulberry or tussar or muga or iris. So mostly if you go to any market, most of the silk will be mulberry silk only.
Why, sir?
It's the most common silk moth we will use. Okay. So the silk moth will depend upon the mulberry leaves. Okay, I'll show you in the life cycle of that.
Yes, sir. The larva only eats mulberry leaves, sir.
Sir, this notes you will post in classroom.
Yeah, I will post this notes in the Google Classroom. You can download from there. Suppose if you are downloading the latest notes also, you'll get from class 1 only. Suppose if I post today classwork notes in the Google Classroom now, you'll get the complete classwork notes from the starting onwards. So then this point.
Sir, from where it start, sir?
You'll get from the Google Classroom, you'll get these notes.
No, sir, from where it will start?
Sir, can you please erase the writings and send in the classroom because it's becoming very difficult for us to know.
Sir, it isn't very easy, no, sir.
Okay, no problem. We'll do that one afterwards. Okay. So first.
No, sir, keep like that only. It is easy to which is.
Okay. Wait.
Screenshot.
Wait, I will share the exact notes how it will be in the now showing on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So life cycle of a silk moth. So first, what is it? Generally,
Sir,
silk
the
moth will
female
lay.
moth
What is the first stage?
Sir,
Listen
the
first.
mother-
Listen carefully.
the
First, I will
female-
explain you.
Can you please
The
say
moth lay many tiny eggs.
Guys, listen first. I muted all your I muted all the persons. I will unmute all after the explaining the life cycle of silk moth. Okay. So first listen. First, silk moth will lay the eggs on the mulberry leaves. This is the first stage. Then after laying eggs, what will happen? The eggs will undergo the hatching process and you will get the tiny caterpillar from the eggs.